you
Oh
basically
boy.
called the Bitcoin drop.
Yes, and still like a dumbass bought before it dropped.
You got to listen to your own advice. So where is I think last time Bitcoin was like 80K. I think when we were on, it was like 82,000 maybe, and then you called the drop to like closer to 75. You said we were going to get into the 70s. Now we're at 76,000, kind of hovering between 76 and 77. So where do you see things at now, and what's kind of changed from last week to this week?
Like I said, it's kind of coin flip now. I just know that I expected that we were going to get at least one red weekly candle based on, prior chart price action. So we indeed got it. Like I said, I did not wait for it because I was heading out of town. So just wanted to get my Bitcoin and not think about it. So yeah, unfortunately, I bought up at like 81K. But yeah, I have no idea. I mean, we could. There's no reason we couldn't go sideways to higher here, but I mean, I don't know. Price just failed at the 200-day moving average twice. So I don't know if that means that was a rejection. But yeah, from a technical standpoint, flip a coin. Flip a coin. I mean, there's complete argument for us, seeing 73, 74 again. And then just as well as holding here and seeing another, push to that 200-day. So I'm hoping for the latter. So I will say this, think about this. The sell-off's been meager though, right? I mean, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 5th day now that we would have a red candle if this closed red. I mean, right now we're only down, 100 points on Bitcoin. So low volume and not huge moves down. So maybe the sellers are weak. But that nice little uptrend we were in from the end, basically started like, let's call it April 1st. It busted out of that. I mean, that trend basically was bringing us right into that 200-day moving average. So it kind of created that little apex and it broke to the downside. So, but that does not mean we have to go lower. So I don't know. Volume's been pretty low on a whole with Bitcoin outside of a handful of days over the last like month and a half. Like volume's like down. I mean, it's overall, like if you look at the past year, it's below average for the last couple of months outside of like, a day or two here. I mean, we had that Thursday, we had that green candle and we had big volume. So you thought maybe that was going to be like, we were going to pump. It looked like we were going to push and go. And then it just volume died and we've just been down since. So, but yeah, I mean, if today can get green, that would be, I mean, heck, yesterday technically was a reversal candle. I mean, you had that wick. It closed just above the low of the prior day. Normally that would be like a little reversal signal, but so we'll see what happens.
Yeah.
It looks like it wants to hold and bounce.
Yeah, I know it's like we haven't really touched 75 yet, I mean, we kind of we're at 76, so
76. So
it feels
because that's the last little swing bottom there is 75.7 with the wick down to 74. Well, yeah, 75. It's like that wick is 74.9. So yeah, that's the last little on the daily, the last little like reversal bottom. But
yeah,
I mean, it's not like it's any kind of actual support. There's a lot of price action there though, because like then you have those tops that were at 75 to 76 back in March. So yeah, that's why for a down move I was targeting 75